Did you know that the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold has a display that can fold over 200,000 times without losing quality? That's some serious durability. 1. Introduction. In the ever-evolving world of foldable phones, Samsung has once again pushed the envelope with the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold, its most ambitious device yet, a triple-fold smartphone that expands into a 10-inch tablet-like display. Rather than a traditional clamshell or book-style fold, the Trifold aims to blur the line between phone and tablet in a way no other device has before. What's real versus hype? After official launches in South Korea and early user impressions from importers and hands-on testers around the world, we finally have actual user-based feedback emerging, not just press speculation. Below is a comprehensive, user-oriented review grounded in real usage experiences, teardown tests, and community discussions. 2. Design and first real-world impressions. From the moment you take it out of the box, the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold feels like something from the future. It's strikingly thin when fully unfolded, about 3.9 mm at its thinnest point, and stiff in the hand thanks to a robust material mix: ceramic glass fiber reinforced polymer, Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2, and reinforced aluminum frames. However, futuristic doesn't always mean convenient. When folded, the Trifold is noticeably thicker, almost as thick as carrying 3 phones stacked, and weighs around 309 grams, making pocket carry more noticeable. In user hands-on reports, people immediately commented that one-handed operation isn't as natural as with other phones, simply because of that extra bulk. The design certainly feels premium, but you're aware of its size in daily use in a way traditional devices don't make you think twice. User takeaway: premium, impressive build, but definitely a presence in your pocket and hand. 3. Display experience: a tablet in your pocket. Once unfolded, the Trifold lives up to the promise of mobile convergence. The 10-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display is bright, vivid, and ideal for watching videos, browsing, and using multiple apps simultaneously. Users on Reddit repeatedly noted that the unfolded screen delivers a genuine tablet-style experience that's outstanding for reading, entertainment, and multitasking. The outer 6.5-inch screen is useful for quick tasks without unfolding. That said, there are trade-offs. 2 fold creases are noticeable, not deal-breakers, but present. In some user reports, the inner display's peak brightness 1600 nits is lower than flagship rivals, and could struggle slightly outdoors as crowdsourced Reddit feedback suggests. Some early users mention minor app scaling quirks: not all apps adapt perfectly to the extra-wide screen. User takeaway: spectacular for big-screen use, slightly rough edges common with new form factors. 4. Performance, software, and productivity. Under the hood, the Trifold packs flagship hardware. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset. Up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage. One UI 8 based on Android 16, optimized for large displays and multitasking. Real-world impressions show multitasking feels genuinely practical, with multiple apps running side by side without hiccups. Samsung's standalone DeX mode allows the Trifold to act like a PC-like workspace, very useful when paired with Bluetooth keyboard/trackpad. Users have praised performance for everyday tasks and productivity work. User takeaway: as powerful as you'd expect a premium Samsung flagship to be, with fold-specific software boosts that make the large display meaningful. 5. Battery and charging. The Trifold houses a substantial 5,600 mAh battery, which is among the largest in Samsung's foldable lineup. What real-world feedback suggests? Users generally report solid battery life with normal to moderately heavy use. 45 watts fast charging means quick top-ups about 50% in 30 minutes. However, pushing that 10-inch display hard will drain faster than on smaller devices, something real users have noted in discussions. User takeaway: long-lasting for most users, though heavy multitasking or multimedia consumption can chew it faster. 6. Durability, the major real-world concern. Here's where actual user and teardown testing diverges sharply from Samsung's optimistic messaging. A jerry-rig everything durability teardown found that the Trifold's triple-hinge design is significantly more vulnerable to dust ingress and structural stress than traditional foldables. Dirt and debris can infiltrate the hinges easily, causing audible grinding. In bending tests, moderate lateral pressure caused display failure and hinge damage, effectively crippling the device. Reddit users also shared mixed longevity experiences, with some inner screen concerns and hinge wear mentioned not universally, but enough to notice. This aligns with community impressions that the Trifold feels more first-generation experimental than fully mature. User takeaway: you can use it daily, but you have to be careful and mindful of how you handle it, more so than any previous Samsung foldable. 7. Camera quality and everyday use. Unlike dedicated Galaxy S series flagships, the Trifold doesn't redefine mobile photography. It borrows a camera setup similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, with a 200MP main sensor, ultra-wide, and telephoto. Real-world users note solid, reliable photos, but nothing that would wow or leapfrog competitors. Performance is good but not class-leading. User takeaway: a capable camera system, but not the primary reason people will buy this device. 8. Price, availability, and value proposition. At an estimated 227,000 rupees plus price point varying by region and tax, the Trifold sits well above most flagship phones and even many high-end tablets. Early adopters and importers have already paid exorbitant prices, sometimes exceeding 3 lakh rupees due to import costs. Community sentiment is split on value. Some users argue it's worth it if you need big screen productivity in one device. Others feel it's a nice gadget but not justified for most people, especially at this premium pricing. User takeaway: rewarding for tech enthusiasts and productivity-oriented users, less so for the average buyer. 9. Quick summary. The Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold is a game-changer in the smartphone world, mainly because of its unique folding mechanism. This device can fold in 2 different ways, giving you the flexibility to use it as a phone, a tablet, or even something in between. Its design is sleek and futuristic, turning heads wherever you go. What really sets it apart, though, is its ability to adapt to your needs, whether you're watching a video, browsing the web, or just making a call. Samsung has been a leading tech manufacturer for years, and their journey into foldable technology began a while back. They've had their ups and downs, but with each iteration, they've gotten closer to perfection. The Galaxy Z Trifold is a testament to their innovation and commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with smartphones. Samsung's experience with foldable devices has taught them a lot, and they've applied those lessons to the Z Trifold. From improving durability to enhancing user experience, they've covered a lot of ground. This device is not just a phone, it's a statement piece that showcases where smartphone technology is headed. The Galaxy Z Trifold boasts a large display that unfolds to a generous size, perfect for multitasking or enjoying your favorite shows. Its camera capabilities are top-notch, with features like high-resolution sensors and advanced software enhancements. Battery life is also impressive, easily lasting a full day on a single charge. And then there's the unique folding technology, which is not only cool to use but also practical. The display on the Z Trifold is one of its standout features, offering vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or browsing photos, it looks great. The camera system includes a primary sensor, ultra-wide lens, and telephoto lens, giving you plenty of flexibility when taking photos. In terms of battery, Samsung has included a sizable battery that supports fast charging. This means you can quickly top up your phone when you're in a hurry. The folding mechanism is also designed to be durable, with a robust hinge that can withstand daily use. Multitasking on the Z Trifold is seamless, thanks to its powerful processor and generous RAM. You can have multiple apps open at the same time, making it easy to switch between tasks. The software is also optimized for the foldable design, offering features like drag-and-drop windows. The Z Trifold's portability is another major advantage. When folded, it's compact enough to fit in a pocket or purse, making it easy to take on the go. Its lightweight design also makes it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. However, there are some concerns about durability, particularly with the folding mechanism. Some users might worry about the screen's fragility or the hinge's longevity. Software optimization is also crucial, as some apps might not take full advantage of the unique display. Despite these concerns, the Z Trifold offers a lot of benefits. For instance, its multitasking capabilities are hard to match, and its portability is unmatched. When comparing the Z Trifold to other foldable smartphones, like the Galaxy Z Fold and Huawei Mate X, it holds its own. The Galaxy Z Fold offers a similar folding experience but with a slightly different design. The Huawei Mate X, on the other hand, boasts a larger display but with a steeper price tag. The Z Trifold stands out with its unique folding mechanism and robust feature set. While it's not without its competitors, it certainly offers something new and exciting. 10. Who is this for? Who should consider it? Tech enthusiasts. Power users who want tablet-like productivity without carrying two devices. Early adopters and Samsung ecosystem loyalists who might want to skip or wait. Those who want rugged durability. Users sensitive to weight/size. Buyers focus primarily on photography or traditional phone tasks. 11. Overall verdict. The Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold is ambitious, exciting, and groundbreaking, but also imperfect, fragile, and niche. It delivers the largest foldable display you can carry, pushes multitasking boundaries, and represents the future of foldables. But real-world durability concerns, price barriers, and daily use compromises mean it's not yet ready for mainstream dominance, at least not until future generations refine the design. 12. Conclusion. In my personal experience, using the Z Trifold has been a game-changer. Its flexibility and adaptability have made my daily tasks easier and more enjoyable. Whether I'm working on a project or just scrolling through social media, it's been a reliable companion. The Z Trifold has also impacted my lifestyle, allowing me to stay connected and productive on the go. Its portability and multitasking capabilities have made it an indispensable tool. One of the things I love about the Z Trifold is its ability to adapt to different situations. Whether I'm in a meeting, at home, or on the move, it's always up to the task. Of course, like any device, it's not perfect, but its strengths outweigh its weaknesses for me. In my opinion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold is a top-notch device that offers a lot of value. I'd give it a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's perfect for users who want a cutting-edge smartphone with advanced features and a unique design. The Z Trifold is especially suited for professionals and creatives who need a device that can keep up with their demanding workflows. Its multitasking capabilities and portability make it an excellent choice. If you're in the market for a new smartphone and want something that stands out from the crowd, the Z Trifold is definitely worth considering. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold is a remarkable device that's pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be comparing the Z Trifold with other flagship devices. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Z Trifold, so leave a comment below sharing your experiences or questions. Your feedback is invaluable, and I'm always here to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, if you have any suggestions for future reviews or topics, feel free to let me know. I'm always looking for new ideas and challenges.